We're live on Twitch. We're playing Resident Evil 4. I don't know where to go, y'all. But I got my shotty. I got my shotty with me. Oh! Ah! It's been a lot. Sorry, I need to catch my breath. aespa, thirsty. Yo, your boy thirsty already. Hold up. aespa thirsty. It's a track video. I've been liking the sounds of aespa's like album already. And I love everything about it. Yes, everybody say hi YouTube. Hi YouTube. aespa's Tetris is fire too. I still want to see that movie. I might see that maybe. You wanna go Saturday, Hedgen? We're gonna check out aespa Thirsty track. If you guys didn't know, aespa has a song or made a track on the Tetris movie, which is fire, by the way. Because when I first heard it, I was like, this is aespa? Alright, without further ado, captions on, where's my mouse? Oh, captions on English. Let's get it, let's go. 2 minutes, 25 seconds. aespa Thirsty track video. What's happening? Wait, hold up. These are like old footages? Aw. Oh, they got like... What is this? Oh. Oh, they made it like Friends. Like font. Aw. Oh, they're adorable. Holy. Ooh. Sparkling on the surface. Swaying sign. Ooh. Ooh, is that the love interest in the music video? Wait, did you say Anya? Oh, catch it now? Lucky Charms. Ooh! Ooh! It's that body roll type of music though. Hey! Oh, I remember! I think Sodiu showed me this, like the live action. And I was like, ooh, sipping all night. What? Are they sipping on carrot juice or orange juice? What is that? Mango? Papaya? More deep in the night? What? Wait, what? Just scratching the surface. I'm really liking. Oh, we taking shots? Wait, what? Oh, she twerked a little bit. It's winter. Winter twerked a little bit. That's cute. Wait, hold up. Wait. I need to move on. Move away. That was adorable. Hold up. That's adorable. No night. Hey. What the hell? Hey, for free? Why can't I be casted for this? Why can't I be casted as one of the, like, this person? Why can't I be casted in a music video for this? So I just would love to be. Look at that. Look at this. Oh, that's dope. That's dope. Oh, this might be my favorite track video. Oh. So it's literally they're playing as like friends. Oh. Ooh, yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Oh, let's go. It's the little side eye from me. There's a video of aespa like going through a horror like game, not game, but like not a haunted house or something like that, but I think I don't know. I can't remember. I remember I watched it on stream. aespa killed that. I can't wait to hear that full album actually. It's kind of like I already did a first listen, but I'm kind of like seeing my faves. But I'd like the whole color of the album, if that makes sense. The aura of the album, it seems pretty fire. Like Welcome to My World is fire. Sweet and Salty is dope. I'm Unhappy. It's one of my faves too. And this, I think Thirsty is one of my faves as well.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.